Mochizuki Tour here. If you watch my DC manga pickup video for May to August, you recently know I picked up Ouran HighSchool Host Club, the complete box set. Yep, I got it, and this is going to be the unboxing of it. Let's get into it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So far, so good. The front, bottom, top, the side, back, and the other side. This is a really old classic romance series. I wanted this for some times, and Amazon had it in for like 70 or 72 pounds, and I'm glad I picked up. It is a shoujo beat series, and 1 to 18. I believe the anime probably only covers around this here, so all of this here is never anime. I want them, just like how they done with Fruit Basket, to redo this series, remake it, and hopefully we get a complete adaptation. Now let's look at these covers. Volume 1. This is done by Bisco Hattori. Two. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. We're halfway through it already. 10. 'I believe the last time I read this was online, but I think that was over 10 years ago. Can't wait to reread it all, and this time in physical format. I do prefer reading series in physical if I can. If not, my online, as long as there's either it's complete or there's a big chunk for an old series already out. $14. 15. 16, 17, and the final volume, volume 18. And I have to say, this is my favourite cover, and this volume is feels thicker than the others. Final volume. And is a little memo pad. You don't get a poster with this like with the other book sets. Let's look at some art. That is clean. That is 1 to 18, the complete book set. Hope to see you all in my next video. Peace out.